go. What comes after 4? 5. Count the apples. 3. Which is the biggest number? 4. What shape has 3 sides? Triangle. I am a number. Add 1 and I become 6. Who am I? 5. What is 2 plus 1? 3. Find the missing number. 1, 2, 3. What is 4 minus 2? 2. Which number is smaller, 7 or 5? 5. Count the stars. 5. Which number comes first? 1. Add pairs. 3. How many sides does a square have? 4. I am round and have no corners. What shape am I? Circle. I have 5 fingers. What am I? Hand. Thanks for watching.